Okay, so please disregard this horrible iMovie music.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be drawing something inspired by the work of Earl Oliver Hearst, and he's a really famous pinup illustrator. So I'm starting face, eyebrows, eyes, eyelashes, a nose and mouth. And then from here I'm doing the hair. So I was going from a reference, so keep that in mind. But I didn't really like that eye the first time, so we did it. And when I was drawing this, I thought it was kind of funny because she's like super broad-shouldered, but by the end of it, I promise it looks fine. And she has these like super glamorous gloves on, which I really love. So what I'm doing right now is pretty much just lining the whole thing. I think I'm using a clean sketch brush, and it was just a random brush that I downloaded from somewhere. But I'm trying to always make sure that I put hands in my drawings that I've been doing recently, just to challenge myself, because it's always good to challenge yourself, because if not, you'll never get any better. So from here, I was just being super meticulous doing the gloves and such. And then so now I thought I was going to put a hat, but I decided against the hat pretty quickly, and I just decided on some like cute short hair. I was going to do bangs, but that didn't work, so I decided on just like some hair clips. And so she has a little flower in her hand, and so from here I'm going over my under sketch to just like clean everything up, because like I wanted it to look like very effortless and clean. So I think I got that point across, but I'm not really sure. And so I really like the simplicity of the reference that I was studying, so I tried to like mimic that the best that I could. And so now start with some colors, the base skin tone, and then I was gonna do red gloves, but I decided against that as well. I thought it looked kind of funny. But yeah, and I'm doing all of these on different layers so that I don't get things mixed up, or have any little issues working together. I just think it's easier that way. So coming in with some little shading, and from here I actually recolored all the line work to like a light brown, and I actually removed the line work on the lips too, which I really like the look that it gave it. And then some blush on the cheekies, because that's cute. And yeah, and this whole time with the coloring, I believe I'm using a smooth chalk brush. Yeah, so getting into background. I like to sign my paintings really early, but so this is the completed image. At the end I added a little bit of a pink overlay, because I thought that just added a really nice effect to it. And I'm sorry if this was kind of awkward. This is my first time doing a like speed drawing with a voiceover, and yeah, so bear with me, it'll get better. Yeah, so if you liked what you saw, and if you learned anything, let me know. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.